Hi, I'm Paul with Equipt Expedition Outfitters, and today we're going to talk a little bit about the Eezi-Awn Series 2000 RecVee panel system that allows you to put a 3-wall set of walls onto the Series 2000 awning that Eezi-Awn creates. Now what we have here is, of course, the Series 2000 awning. This one's a 2-meter version. We have it set up appropriately, and how this awning system works is it has a couple spring-loaded poles that come in 3 pieces. There's a piece here, you can hear a little bit of a rattle, that's the spring. You have a center piece and a piece with no rattle, which is the solid end. You install those here, and the goal is to take that spring-loaded pole and put it in here, compress it a little bit, and put it into a couple holes. Now the awnings themselves do not come with those holes, and that's the trick, is to make sure that you put the holes in the appropriate place. So let's talk about that for just a sec. So what we have the awning set up, the case is open, material from the awning is slid into a female welt here. It rolls out and fits into one of the female welts in the spring-loaded roll. Now our goal here is to drill a hole here. If you measure from the outside of the case to that hole location, it's about 6 3/8 inches. We want to come about 5/8 of an inch down from the crease in the case here. So we put a hole there, and our goal is to have that pole run parallel to the edge of the material out to this roll. Now the trick on these awnings is that the exterior wall of the awning fits into a female welt in this spring-loaded roll. And so for that to work appropriately, this female welt and this seam that goes down the roll needs to be vertical so that the wall hangs vertically within that space. And that is where we measure from to put the hole into the case here. You measure about 3 3/4 of an inch, or 3.5 inches, from the end of the case to where the hole location is going to be. The goal for that hole is to be horizontal to the roll so that that hole fits in here appropriately. Now let me show you what that hole looks like when it's in place. So we take our 3 pieces. We insert the interior piece here, the center piece. These holes are 1/4 inch, by the way. You slide that in there, and at this end, you have the spring-loaded hole here. That slides in and goes into that roll like such. Now we have that hole in place. So when we're setting up the RecVee panels themselves, the exterior wall slides into place here. The sidewalls, the front and back sidewalls, there's a sewn-in sleeve in there that the pole slides to. You slide the wall on there, put the pole in one end, spring-load it into the other, and then you zip the corners together. And once you have those pieces in place, your awning wall is set to use. I hope this makes sense. If you have any questions, give us a call here at Equipt. We're more than happy to help out with that. Again, I'm Paul with Equipt. Thank you.